Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I brought you these very gorgeous and simple crochet earrings with beads. It doesn't require much of time. I prepared them in less than 10 minutes and it's very beginner friendly. Anyone can make them. And also don't forget to comment on this video that what would you like to see on my next tutorials as well. I really need your feedback, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it on the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. For the earrings, we will need to have the following materials. I'm going to use a size 2 cotton yarn. I'm going to use two different types of crochet hook. One of them is 1.5 millimeters and the other one is 0.60 millimeters. We also need to have a yarn needle, two rings, these are 2 centimeters, earring hangers, and I'm going to use two different types of beads. Obviously you can use only one type as well. This one is 4 millimeters, the other one is 7, and I would recommend you to check with the beads if your crochet hook, the 0.60 millimeter, would fit inside. Because I had a chance that I had some beads and it didn't go through, so I couldn't actually use them for crochet. So just make sure that it actually fits through. We will start with a 1.5 millimeter crochet hook. Need to get the ring in our hand. I'm going to fold slightly the yarn, going to pass under. I'm going to put the crochet hook over. You need to hold on to this quite well. Have a look, there is this longer tail, and I'm just with this hand, just hold on to it, and we are going to pull the yarn over. Now have a look at this yarn. We are going to crochet over. So we are going to make 30 single crochet into the magic ring. The first one is a little bit more difficult because it wants to kind of go away. So 1, kind of pull on to that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it's much easier now to do the crochet over. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, pull slightly so it's actually making more space here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and one more, 30. Now we can cut off this excess yarn that is left out from the crocheting over part. Okay. Okay. And now we have to look for the first chain that we did, which is here. Have a look. This one. Going to grab the yarn and we will make a slip stitch. Now pull out slightly the yarn and we are going to change the crochet hook to the 0.60 millimeter crochet hook size. We're going to grab also the beads and I'm going to insert the crochet hook into one of them. Going to grab the yarn. I'm going to pull over. Just like this. And then we skip one chain. And then the next one, we are going to insert the crochet hook and going to make a slip stitch. Just like this. Again, we slightly pull out the yarn. Going to add another bead. Going to grab the yarn and going to pull over. Okay. And again, we are going to leave out one, and the second one we are going to make a slip stitch. Again, pull out at the bead. Oh, went over. I have to get back to this side. Yes. Pull it over. And then leave out one, and the second one we need to make a slip stitch. Again, we're going to add a bead. So you have to make sure when you add it that you have the yarn on the left hand side and you pull it through. And you leave out one chain, and the second one we are going to make a slip stitch. And we need to continue like this till the end of the round. So this is my last one in the round. And now we don't need the beads, the small beads. So what we're going to do now, we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and have a look here, this point. So basically the next, there is this first bead, and then here in this side there is kind of like this stitch that you can insert. You see this point? And then we grab the yarn and we are going to make a slip stitch here. Okay, now we are going to chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again the same place between the two, so between the two beads here, this point we are going to insert the needle. I'm going to make a slip stitch. Again, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the same place here, insert and make a slip stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the two places here, I'm going to insert and make a slip stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, between the two places, a slip stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do a slip stitch. And we need to do this until we meet the initial point, so until the end of the round. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last one, and we are going to insert it here and make our last slip stitch. Slightly pull out the yarn here, and we need to get the bigger size of beads. I'm going to grab first one and going to pull it over, and then it's your choice. I'm going to put another one. If you want to have only one, that's okay. If you don't want to have any, that's completely fine as well. You can customize the way you like it. So I have the 2 beads already. I'm going to grab now the crochet, the earring hanger. Need to slightly open it up. And going to add it to the earring. Then I can close it with my fingers. And I'm going to pull onto this yarn, so it's going to be nicely fixed in the back. See, we just need to get the scissor, and we can leave some excess there and cut the rest. We need to grab the the yarn needle, and we need to do a couple of stitches to fix it in the back. So I'm going to grab this stitch. I'm going to kind of tie it over. I want to make sure that it doesn't come off, and make a couple of stitches just to hide the excess yarn. So I'm going to make here just a few stitches. We don't want it that it comes off. Still, I don't want to make it visible, so just always double check in the other side that it didn't come through. And then we can cut the excess yarn, and one of our earring is ready. And don't forget, you need to make another one from this one. So our earrings just got ready, and I think and I hope that it went well for you. And please leave me a feedback how it went actually, and also what would you like to see in my next tutorial as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Now take care and see you very soon.